Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's December 3rd, Tuesday morning, and coming to you a little bit early today. We've got the markets quiet, corn market steady to slightly lower as we speak. A couple things going on in corn I think that's impacting that market is we had bargain hunters come in yesterday after the market made a 3.5-year low. We bounced back, and that got the technical traders excited as it showed a reversal pattern on the chart. So we'll see if we get any follow through from that today. We still have got very tight cash supplies, no deliveries against the December contract, and the negative side of things is China's cancellation because of the GMO contamination, as they call it, is weighing on the market. So there's a real tug of war there, but looking for positive things, they are hard to come by right now for the corn market. In the soybean complex, the concern there is based off of the corn. China canceled corn. Could they cancel soybeans as we go forward here? Likely not. We probably will not see any cancellations or changes from China until we get later on in the season or the beginning of the harvest season for South America. So there's a few months of potential good times there yet based on China's demand. Strong basis for soybeans. Meal continues to be firm. Crush margins continue to be very positive. So there's a demand for soybeans. Farmers are holding soybeans in very tight hands right now and not going to move very much before the end of the year. The other thing is the total exports at 93% of what the USDA is targeting for this coming marketing year already sold. So that's got traders concerned that, well, maybe there could be some adjustments and some cancellations because of that. So we've got that to deal with in the soybean complex. In the wheat, it's more of a follower than a leader right now. Following corn some days, following beans some days, but we will be getting updated production information out of Canada and Australia here tomorrow. We've also are seeing some favorable rains in Argentina and Brazil. Argentina should be getting some good coverage here later in the week, and conditions seem to be very positive for their spring crop growth, and that is a weight to the market right now. But we have to remember we've got a long growing season ahead of us, and any hiccup that they might have down there could give some recovery and potential rallies in our market. So we're watching them very closely, and a reason to stay in touch with Allendale's staff and Allendale's research. In the livestock trade, we're waiting for some cash cattle to trade this week. Look for steady to higher prices. The way the market's set right now, we've got tight supplies of market-ready cattle, and the demand appears to be fairly good as we see cutout values up yesterday. Choice up 18 cents, select up $1.07. We've seen some fill-in buying there by retailers after the Thanksgiving holiday, and should see some featuring at the retail counter this week for beef. And hopefully that's the case, and we can move some of this product at relatively high prices. So we're watching that very closely. Technically, on the December contract, if we can close above this 133.50, it appears that the next upside target could be easily and quickly met at this 134.5 level. So watch that very closely here for the next couple days. In the pork complex, we're dealing with the PED virus results. And when I say results, May was the first time we've seen and heard of the PED virus, and the results of that and the slaughter reduction should be hitting us about the December time frame. So look for lighter slaughter numbers from a seasonal basis, and also from the possibility of this PED virus. We're watching that very closely, and that could support prices here in the near term. Cutout values were up sharply yesterday, up $1.72 in the pork. And again, retail fill-in buying, I think, is part of the reason for that strength. But also the supply of market-ready hogs could be getting tighter here as we go into the December timeframe. The weather forecast for the plains area and the western corn belt the next several days, with some snow in the north and some very cold temperatures moving all the way south into cattle feeding areas, could slow down some gains as well, could provide some support to this market. So we're watching that, and again, a reason to stay in touch with Allendale. And you can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.